What is going on, guys? Isaac here, and in today's video, it's going to be a new kind of video. I have some clips recorded earlier in the week. The Subaru sounds amazing right now, and I just wanted to show you guys some sound clips that I recorded of the blob while making some pretty cool noises, and I made some pops and cracks inside a parking garage and whatnot. Right now, I am just playing some Forza on my Logitech G920 kind of simulator here. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the rest of the video. And also, I will not be talking very much in the video because it's mainly just sound clips and just pops and cracks and stuff like that in the video. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Blake's gonna see your pictures taken right now. We're at this little kind of gravel road, and there's a park over there, and some also some other stuff over there, but it's actually a pretty cool place to get some cool pictures. We are at our second location, posing the Z. You got Blake there. There's a car coming, but this location's pretty cool for a second one. Got a S2000 spotted. That thing is so clean. I think it's sick. GTR spotted. So we are at our third spot. You guys will recognize this one because this is where we did the YouTube video from introducing the car. Still a pretty good spot. Doing the senior pictures here. Third spot down. We're gonna go to a couple more spots I'll show you guys in here in a bit, but looking pretty good so far. Well, we found a kitty. And hello. And we are at our fourth location, I think. This thing's super nice though. Hello. Hi. So this next clip is a TikTok that I made a couple weeks ago. It's with Michael Scott from The Office making some noises that matches up with the Subaru. It's a pretty funny video. I'm going to post it just so you guys can see it right now. And you guys all should go check it out on TikTok. Give it a like. Give me a follow. I'm going to be trying to post some more on there as well. But yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the TikTok. Alright, so that's going to wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I sure did. A lot of sound clips in this one. Really cool sounds for sure from the Subaru. And also, big news right now. Subaru is almost done getting the bumper repainted. And after that, I'm right away going to RS Motors. And I'm going to get E85, which is a big deal because it's going to be a big power difference. So that should be pretty fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below some other ideas you guys want us to do in the future. And also go make sure you guys go check out the TikTok that I made, Isaac Kinchin. Just on TikTok, Isaac Kinchin. So yeah, so see you guys in the next one.